Welcome to the channel. Hey kitchen fam, we all love food, but sometimes the kitchen can feel like a war zone, right? I've got you. Today I'm sharing 5 kitchen hacks that'll make cooking so much easier. Number 1, easy boil eggs. Peeling boiled eggs shouldn't feel like a wrestling match. Just add a teaspoon of baking soda to your boiling water and bam, the shells come off in seconds. Number 2, speed ripen bananas for that banana bread craving. You want banana bread, but your bananas are still basically green. No stress. Toss them in the oven at 300 degree for 15 to 20 minutes. Peel, and boom, mushy and ready to bake. Number 3, lazy girl pasta prep. Don't feel like waiting ages for water to boil. Soak your dry pasta in warm water for about 30 minutes. Then just toss it into boiling water. It'll cook in like 3 minutes. Great for impatient cooks. Number 4, no more crying over onions. Cutting onions shouldn't feel like heartbreak. Just chill them in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes before chopping. Cold onions equals less sulfur equals fewer tears. Life-changing. Number 5, keep berries fresh longer. Don't you hate it when your berries go moldy like 2 days after you buy them? Dry and store and boom. Berries that last way longer, mold-free. Rinse them in a mix of 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water. Then rinse again with clean water. And there you have it. 5 kitchen hacks to save your time, your sanity, and maybe even your dinner. If you like this, share it with your friends. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. If this helped you out, hit that like, share,